Hello, today we're going to explain how to maintain your Hurricane from Hoover. We're going to unclip the main canister, press the button which releases the catch and allows you to empty into the dust container via the bottom. Rotate the lid until it lines up with the open indicator, lift up and remove the filter. Simply rotate this until it unlocks and pull it apart. To clean this filter, run it under the tap or submerse it in some warm water. We also recommend that once a year you replace this filter, and you can do so by going to our spares website. Put the filter back inside the head and twist. Place this back inside the collection bin, locating it with the arrows at the top and the bottom lining up. Twist this until it clicks. Turn it around, place it back inside the main body of the vacuum cleaner and press until it goes click. To remove the filter casing, press your thumb down on the latch and pull forward. Inside is the main filter. Pull it back and then remove. The filter can be washed under a tap or submersed under warm water, making sure that before it goes back in, you allow 24 hours for it to be completely dry. We also recommend that once a year you replace this filter, and you can do this by going to our Hoover Spares website. To put this back in, locate at the bottom. If you think your vacuum cleaner isn't picking anything up off the carpet, you need to check to see if the brush roller is going round to check the belt. To do this, you need to switch your appliance on. Press the on-off switch here. If the brush is not going round, we're going to need to replace the belt. To do this, we need to place the vacuum cleaner on its front with the base exposed. At the bottom, there are 6 screws that we need to remove to get to the belt. To remove the plate, tilt it forward and remove. With the plate removed, you can now see the brush and the belt. To remove the belt, remove the brush first. This pulls out. We can place this to one side. We need to remove the broken belt. Take our new belt and feed it in, and using a screwdriver hook behind the shaft. Take our brush, place underneath the belt in between the 2 guides. Now stretch the brush until it locates. Give it half a turn just to make sure it runs true. Put the plate back on by hooking at the front and then replace the 6 screws. To check for a blockage in our hose, we need to remove the hose. Unclip from the bottom, twist the hose at 90 degrees and then pull out. To unblock your hose, find a broom handle or a pole. Feed this into the neck of the hose and push all the way down until it comes out of the bottom. This will then push out the obstruction out the other end. To check that our hose is clear, we'll use a pound coin, and if it falls right through to the bottom, we know that it's clear. To reattach our hose, place the hose in the hole at 90 degrees and twist. Wrap the hose back around the machine, then refit the hose at the bottom.